Yeah, we highly value our partnerships. I'd say we have lots of vendors, but a critical few partners in that space, and ESTECO is clearly one of those. I think the thing that probably makes ESTECO stand out is, as Carlo talked about earlier today in a conference, is around the independent nature of the business and your ability to work with lots of different vendors to make the connections, to help make those connections for us, to make it seamless for us, and to make it easy. It seems like you're always a step ahead of us. The things that we're thinking about, you've already got answers for. Oftentimes, if we make a call and need help, there's somebody on the ground with us, even beyond just a phone call. We can get people to come and kind of hold our hands and help us along the way. And so we just find really, really strong collaboration, excellent communication, just a really good working relationship together, and always seeking out win-win solutions so both companies can win. The help that we need, or we get somebody on site to help us, or even people rolling up their sleeves and saying, let me help you solve the problem, let's work together. So we talked about a partnership. A lot of times I look at some of the ESTECO folks almost like as another Cummins resource that can help us develop and grow in our capabilities.